Okay, guys, so today we're going to discuss the three different types of tags. So the first tag is called, in the description is a hashtag. That in the hashtags go in the description area. So here's a video. All right, we were in the, we went into the YouTube studio. We're here in the YouTube studio. All right, and we have clicked on content, meaning a video. All right, so here we can do a hashtag of this video. And here's the title. The title is a third method of how to create a YouTube thumbnail using vidIQ. So for this hashtag, we could go, and in the hashtag area, you want to probably put five, limited to 5 hashtags. All right. So, and then the next one will show you then a video tag, totally different. Then we'll show you a channel tag. But for now, we're showing you a hashtag which goes in the description area. All right, in the description area of the video, because again, this is the title, and I'll just show you. If I click here, it's going to show you how vidIQ is going to suggest another thumbnail title. All right, for me, but for now, I'm going to just go ahead and skip that, and we're down at the description of the video. All right, so we can go. One thing to remember too is don't put no space between your words, okay, and hashtags. All right, so hashtags is different from just tags. Got it? So for example, we're going to be talking here about YouTube tips. Notice how we put no space between YouTube and tips. All right, but we'll do another hashtag. We will do, hey, that's getting in the way. We'll do YouTube growth. Oops, growth spelled wrong. Then we'll put another hashtag. So just hit enter each time. Now on the phone is a little bit harder to do the hashtag, I think, than on the desktop. I'm on the desktop. So again, hashtag. And again, look how we will put YouTube thumbnail. Oops, nail. Again, look at that. No space between YouTube and thumbnail. And then we just hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will allow us to do hashtag again. Okay. Create thumbnail. Again, nope, no space at all. Oops. Sorry. Let's get it. And we'll do one more. Enter, hit enter again. Hashtag. And let's try YouTube monetization. All right, all one word, guys. YouTube. All right, all one word. Let's see what that YouTube monetize. Yeah, spelled right. Okay, and then so again, no spaces between. Now for the tags that we're going to go down to in a minute, then we will have a space right between each word. But for the hashtags, which go in the description area of the video, when you have created a video and you create a title, now you're in the description, you create and limit it again to about 5 hashtags. All right, but again, no space. Remember that. So let's go here and save this. Always good to save your work. So in case something happens, you don't mess up and you got to go all over things. Now, if you scroll down, keep scrolling down. Sorry, while I'm on the way here, let's put no to that because that just says, my video does not make a real person feel bad, or it doesn't appear to say or do anything that it doesn't do or say. So just want to do that since I was there. Keep scrolling down and voila. Here we come to tags again. All right, so tags again. So again, you keep going. until you find. Let's just keep going so I can show you. Let me go back there just to show you you've hit the right place. All right. And so voila, tags. Now, as you can notice, I did these tags way back, right? There's spaces in between each word. Now, some of these, guess what? Since I'm here, I'm going to delete because when I first started on my channel, I had a lot. I wanted to talk about kind of all things, kind of almost like a blog or a vlog, tourism, finance, faith, all that. It was just too much stuff. On one channel, even though they told me, when I was setting up, oh, you can kind of just chat about the things kind of around what you do every day. But I found YouTube doesn't like that. So I'm taking out some stuff here that does not. So again, I've pivoted in my channel more on finance. So stuff before that, I have another building channel. So I'm taking this stuff out. But again, you can go up to 500 words here, okay, in your tag section. But again, look at what happened. I had put in all the, you have a space. You don't have to put hashtag, the hashtag sign, you do not. You just put, spell out the words you want. For example, let's just say here again, look at how I'm put a space between each word and I'm not using the hashtag. All right. And when I'm through up here, I hit save. So let's look at this again. YouTube growth, comma, YouTube tips, comma, YouTube thumbnails, I'll do YouTube, because look down here, it's telling you, as you do this too, when you use vidIQ, again, see how it's kind of suggesting words that's being used there. Sorry, I didn't do, okay, let's just leave YouTube, and then YouTube thumbnail, and I'm kind of putting in that word again, AI, because that's how I made the thumbnail with my AI vidIQ, which is right here, powered by vidIQ. And again, I paid a $19 a month plan because the free plan was not giving me all I wanted. Yes. So I get to use the thumbnail done for me because I use vidIQ, the paid version. All right. Let's go again. Say YouTube automation. Okay, let's put YouTube shorts. Okay, voila. And again, we could keep going here, guys, because you got up to 500, right? You do have up to 500. But I'm going to just stop now for now so that the video don't get too long. So voila. I hit save again. Now, the third way of creating tags is you go to your settings. So we just got through showing you how to do it by scrolling down and putting in the video channel, the video tags. Now we're down at the channel tags. So to get channel tags, you click on settings. Okay, you go to the word channel, and voila, you put in keywords again. You put in keywords that your kind of whole channel is about, instead of just that video, but more what your channel is about. Now I'll leave this because some of my earlier videos was about Cayman Islands, hotels in Cayman Islands. I'll just leave it because some of my prior videos was on this. But because I'm more pivoted more now on YouTube and finance and my channel, and I'm going to do I guess you'd say a new banner at the front to kind of say more what my channel is about. And that's going to get more YouTube and finance, budgeting, investing kind of thing. So see again here, it allows you 500. So I can put in here YouTube tips. Again, look at the space, comma. And every time you put comma, it just kind of gives you the space between the next one, right? YouTube space monetization. Once I click enter, it automatically gives me that kind of comma between each one. All right. YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails, AI. I'll put AI again because I've used vidIQ, which has an AI. Oops. Okay. So I'm just gonna again it can go up to 500. We're almost there. Let's just see something here since I'm here at it. Okay, let me go. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more here again because about my whole channel tags. My channel is also gonna be again pivoting more on leaning more on finance and YouTube. So I'm gonna put finance. I'm gonna put Dave Ramsey. I like to buy his courses and subscribe um, to his courses. I also like Dr. Boyce Watkins on Black Well, he has a lot of finance videos on that topic. So I'm going to just click save. All right. And voila. So that, guys, is your three types of channels. Sorry, tags. Again, there were the hashtags, which we did in the description. Then the video tags, which were where we went directly to the video. And then the channel tags, whereby we went all the way down to the settings and went into the channel tag, and voila. All right, so there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the different types of tags. Stop for now.